In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Alpha Tap and Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Tap and Pay for any of your eligible cards on Bank Alfa is extremely simple. This feature allows you to use your phone to make any payments. As long as you physically place your phone near the contactless card reader, you will be able to make the payment. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that your specific phone needs to have NFC capabilities. If your phone does not have NFC, you will not be able to use this. Most modern iOS devices will have this, and the same for Android as well. So make sure that NFC is enabled to begin. With this done, open the app and then tap on any of your cards. You will immediately see the Manage Tap and Pay option. So it is going to be one of the options underneath your card. So tap on a specific card that you have, primarily a physical one, and you will see Manage Tap and Pay. When you choose this option, you will be able to set it up. So usually it is going to tell you to enable NFC, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So if it isn't enabled already, it is going to tell you to do it now. And once NFC is enabled, you are basically good to go. Now, you have to physically place your phone near the card reader. So as you can see, you physically place your phone and let it sit there for a couple of seconds, and usually that is going to be enough to issue the payment. You can try waving it around the card reader if it doesn't work right away, and after this is done, the payment should be approved using your specific card. You can do this with as many cards as you have, so just go back on that menu and then choose other cards to manage tap and pay for. Once it is enabled, as long as NFC capabilities are enabled as well, the card will be generated and you can physically place your phone near the card reader to issue the payment. You can do this on any eligible location that has a card reader. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Alpha Tap and Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.